Hello, I'm Carl. I'm going to be your technician for this section. In this section, we're going to talk about flushing your print head with cleaning solution and a syringe. If you haven't watched the part of this DVD that tells you how to remove your print head, you should do so now, because that will have to be out of the machine before we go through this. Okay, if your print head is out of the machine, you're now ready to flush it with cleaning solution. Items you will need will be, you'll want to put rubber gloves on, obviously, so you don't get the cleaning solution on your hands. You need the syringe with the tubing attached that comes with your maintenance kit, as well as cleaning solution that comes with your maintenance kit. You'll also want to enlist the help of someone with the extra set of hands. What we will do is have that person hold the print head, and he will hold the tube onto the jet when we get to that point. So first thing you need to do is take your syringe, put it in the cleaning solution, and draw the plunger up, pulling the solution into the syringe. This won't take much, maybe 25 or 30 cc's usually does fairly well. At this point, you can have the helper. What he will do is just push the end of that syringe onto that little tip up there, and he have them hold that on there while I will push the plunger on it, forcing the liquid down through the print head and the nozzles. And what you want to do is watch these, and you want just a straight line of spray with no gaps or anything. If it's spraying off to the side, then it's not clean. And you use a little bit of pressure and force that through till you get a nice good spray. And at that point, you're done with that one. We'll just go down the line and go to the next one, and just force it through. Takes quite a bit of force until you have a nice, fine, even spray. If there are any gaps in it or spraying sideways, again, that means you need to do it a little bit longer until you get a nice straight line. Yeah. And again, just force that through. Yellow tends to be the hardest one to clear because it has a longer path to travel to get out the nozzle. Just again, do it till you have a nice spray about like that, and that's great. One trick I found so you don't get cleaning solution all over the print head is, after you finish with each jet, kind of draw the plunger up and pull the solution back up into the syringe out of the tube. That way it won't drip while you're moving from jet to jet to jet. At this point, your print head is flushed out. It's ready to put back in the machine. What I would do is you have these swabs that come with your maintenance kit. If you want to clean up a little bit more, you just kind of get that and just kind of soak up some of this excess cleaning solution that may have dripped while you're doing it. It won't hurt anything if you leave it there, but it just makes for a little bit cleaner surface for your print cartridges to sit on. I would also recommend like a plastic tub, or you can actually do this in a sink if you want, something to catch the liquid. Something maybe with higher walls so you don't spray out, and also have some rags handy so if you do get an accidental spill, you can wipe it up immediately. If it sits for very long, it tends to stain. The print head is now ready to put in your machine. After you put it in your machine, load up your ink cartridges, run 3 or 4, 5 maybe head cleanings, and you should be good to go.